So we're at Trentham Gardens shop, and we're going now into the Trentham Christmas light. Quite excited now to do this. It should be pretty spectacular. I think it'll go in about 10 minutes, round about 4:30. It's quite a good walk around there, and they do have some spectacular decorations up. So, like I say, this should be really, really good.
Yeah, you can go in there.
And there's still quite a lot of people here at Trentham, at the shopping area. I should imagine it's been absolutely packed. So the entrance to the gardens is where we go into the lights. So we're heading that way now.
Oh.
And we'll go and check it out. All the shops, these amazing, they're all very, very busy still. It's the 1st of December today, and everywhere's beautifully dressed up for Christmas here at the shop. And this is now where the entrance to the gardens actually are, and we're going to get in the queue to get in to see the light show. It does look like at the moment there is quite a big queue. I don't know what time the first entry is, whether we are on one of the first entrances. Look how many people there are about here. So we're still walking along the shop at the moment. We're probably 5 minutes off before we need to get in the queue to go in, so we'll have a look at the shops a little bit before we go in the garden. Like I say, it's amazing how they have got all the Christmas trees here. And all the shops beautifully decorated. All beautiful. All very, very Christmassy.
Fun.
And straight in front of me, check the big wheel out.
That looks absolutely fabulous, doesn't it?
Yeah. The big wheel. I'll just zoom in on that for you. That does look amazing. Every shop's really, really nice.
Yeah.
I suppose it'll start quietening off now. We're coming up to 4:15 in the afternoon. I think the shops are open till about 5. So like I say, it will start getting quieter now. Nick's there, he's enjoying himself. He's having a really nice walk around here in Trentham. Got another Christmas tree here, and that's lit up all purple. You walk up to the end by the big wheel, so you can see the big wheel, and then I'll head back down. Bit quieter up here in this area. I think Janet's gone in this pro shop here. She's having a look in there. Like I say, I'm just going to go to the end here and just take a quick look at the end. And then I'll go catch up with them again. Still all beautiful and decorated here, and I'm getting closer and closer now to the wheel.
Yeah, you've got to take public transport.
I've got a bit of music there, so we'll have to edit that out. Another Christmas tree. And like I say, right by the wheel there now. That's amazing. Like I say, just check the wheel out. It's beautiful. Very, very tall. Bet you get a good view when you're actually up there. And look how beautiful the Christmas tree looks here. Looks fabulous. Let's go find Darryl, Mum and Nick and Janet. And then we'll go to the winter lights trail. They're probably starting to walk down. So I'm walking quite quick now, try and catch them up, but I will keep the camera running and show you the shop as we go down as it gets darker. Can't believe how mild it is tonight. So warm. It's amazing. So a week ago, it was absolutely perishing and everywhere was covered in ice, and now I'm just looking what the temperature is and it does say it's 11 degrees. Big day. Lovely tree, purple and white. That's advertising Christmas at Trentham again there on that side. Look at all the decorations on these shops here. Look amazing. I think it's quietened off in the last 10 minutes. So I'm virtually down now to where the entrance is. It's just a few more feet in front of me. And then we'll go in the Christmas light show. And we'll do you a spectacular video of that. Thornton's chocolates there. More people eating it.